All right, we got this amazing MIIKO 3-drawer file cabinet. This thing is perfect, has a 330-pound load-bearing capacity, so it can hold a lot of stuff in here, a lot of weight. There's 3 drawers, very easy to install. The instructions are very easy to follow, and it actually is a lot faster than I was expecting it to be, but very detailed instructions, and comes very easy to install with these letters that coincide with the instructions. So to open it up, you got these 2 keys. It comes with 2 keys right here. So 2 different keys, they're the same thing. Stick it right in here and the drawers open right up. The drawers are very easy to install. I'm gonna show you one of them right now. So you got these indents, one right there and there. They're on the other side as well. We wanna lock these into that clip there. And basically there's gonna be 4 clips. So I'm gonna show you that right now. So we'll fit it right in there, and we'll fit that one in there. And you want to come over here, we'll also fit that one in there, and this one didn't jump in. Now I'm going to come around to the other side and make sure they're still in place over here. So now what you want to do, this, because I already have installed this, it may not, there may not be a noise, but the first time you install it, there's going to be a noise. So what you want to do, you want to press down on all 4 corners. You press down there, press down here, press down here, see it locked in there, and then press down over here. And your first time installing, it's gonna make a noise to press in, probably. But we're good to go. One of the amazing things is right here is when you lock this, this is locked too. So even though you just lock it up here, the whole thing is locked. You can't get in. So amazing. Also, it kind of has the wheels on the bottom, so it's very easy to move around, very portable. But it also has these locks on the wheels right here. There's a lock right here. Press that down. Press it down right over here as well. And now it doesn't move. It's not going to move now. But you undo it. Now it's moving again. So this thing's great. Very easy to install. Just the perfect file cabinet. This is the one you need. Highly recommend.